Hey there, here is a cool product, a Covers Albums Mockup Pack. This pack contains 8 fully customizable mockups. This is what the pack contains. With these mockups, you'll be able to show off your graphic renderings in a unique and professional way, thanks to this selection of album covers. Use these mockups to create eye-catching presentations that stand out from the crowd. Here's a preview of a PSD file. All layers are named, sorted, and easy to use. If you're interested, you can find it on my online store. You'll just need to drag and drop your artwork onto the layers to integrate it into the visual. I'll show you how to use your file. To access the layer that allows you to integrate your artwork on the upper part of the cover, open the group and double-click on the purple layer. This will open a new window. You'll now need to import your artwork into this new layer. Once imported, save with Ctrl+S and return to the original work plan. You'll find your visual integrated on the album cover. For the rest, it's the same procedure. The purple layers are there to integrate your content into the visual. Green layers can be used and customized. Red layers don't need to be modified. However, you can still unlock them and modify them as you wish. If you're interested, you can find it on my online store. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. Thanks for looking and see you next time.